In India, if you think about it, in our homes, really the phones, the landlines were something that were primarily in cities, tier 1, tier 2 cities. The villages never really got it, right? Very few houses in the villages, maybe the block secretary or the panchayat had it. And so India already took a leap forward when the first wave of wireless came about, right? Which was about 15 odd years ago now. I think what has happened since then with the transformation of technology from 1G to 2G to 3G and so on and so forth, speed has only increased, right? And we are seeing that in India. To your point, 4G is still something that is still emerging in India in many places. What will happen with 5G and 6G is two things are going to happen. One, still a lot of rural players are not using a smartphone, they're using a feature phone. So two things will happen. One, these feature phones will now be able to work faster because technology will be there for them to respond faster. Today, the feature phones that they have don't do that. But more importantly, I think what will happen is the innovation that is happening around apps today. Again, if you go back to UPI, I forget the exact term, but UPI has a version where you can actually transact through NPCI, you can transact using a feature phone. You don't really need a smartphone to do a money transfer, right? I forget what that technology is called today, but it is there, right? So you will have to continue developing those kind of technologies, but the fact that 5G and 6G will make it faster, the dispensation of banking features, if I were to say that, would be more easily available to a rural or an urban player for that matter.
But tell me, Gautam,